Hi everybody, my name is Vivian. I work with the City of Pasadena Parks and Recs Department, and today we're going to be doing a virtual program making Father's Day cards or a card for somebody special in your life. What you're going to need today for the materials is a piece of paper, white printer paper or construction paper. You're going to need crayons, markers, color pencils, or anything that you have at home as well. Okay, so let's get started. Paper, you're going to fold it in half like an alligator's mouth. So here's your alligator's mouth. And what you're gonna do, you can draw a picture or you could write both inside or outside of your card. If you need help writing, go ahead and ask an adult for help. Okay? So then with my crayons, I'm going to write, I love you. Okay, something simple like that. If you don't want to write anything, again, you could just draw on the front as well. Now for the inside, I'm going to take a different color and I'm going to write, thank you for always loving me. Okay, just like that. And then if you want, on this side of your card, you could go ahead and make a picture or anything else you'd like to do. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my crayon, make a couple of hearts, do some more hearts. And then another crayon to make maybe silly squiggles. All right, just like that. Okay, if you don't want to make hearts, again, you could do whatever drawing you like. And if you need help writing, go ahead and ask an adult for help. All right, and that's all we're gonna do today. Bye.